Hello everybody, this is the video that will be uploaded in the Flipped Classroom, and I'm going to explain in an easy way the tenses and its uses. Okay, first, past simple. As you can see these examples, I was in London yesterday, I wasn't in London yesterday, was I in London yesterday? With the verb to be, and with a normal verb, he spoke Italian in his trip last summer, he didn't speak Italian in his trip last summer, and did he speak Italian in his trip last summer? Past continuous. With you, we use were, so you were traveling to New York this morning, you weren't, and were you traveling? And with she, he and it, we use was. She was sitting on the sofa when Peter arrived, she wasn't sitting, and was she sitting on the sofa? And finally, present perfect simple. With it, she, and he, it has already jumped, it hasn't jumped yet, has it already jumped? And with you, I, we, and they, you have just eaten the lunch, you haven't eaten the lunch yet. Has you just eaten the lunch? Now, its uses. Past simple is an action that finishes in the past, starts in the past, and finishes in the past. So there is any relation with the present. So, if I was in London yesterday, if I said that, is because now I'm in Spain. Okay? And if I said that he spoke Italian in his trip last summer, it means that isn't summer now. Okay, past continuous is an action that starts in the past, and finishes in the past, but it's only in a moment in the past. It occurs only in a moment in the past. For example, you were traveling to New York this morning is not all the day. Only this morning, between 11 o'clock to 1 o'clock, for example. Or she was sitting on the sofa when Peter arrived. Maybe she was sitting 3 hours on the sofa. But the moment that Peter arrived to the living room, she stand up. Okay? And present perfect simple is an action that starts in the past but has a relation in the present, because if, for example, it has already jumped, it means, for example, on the sofa, it means that the dog was on the floor and now is on the sofa. Okay? And if you have just eaten the lunch, it means that the lunch is not again there. Okay? I think this is the most easiest explanation you could have. And I would like that you do the test now, 5 questions, really, really easy. And the reading, okay? See you on Wednesday. Bye.